Hey, what's up guys? So I bought this small 10-inch electric power chainsaw. So then I ended up getting this 18-inch Ryobi battery powered saw. So I bought this attachment for this other Ryobi tool that I had. This by itself was like $350. And don't get me started on these batteries, right? So I've had this system for a very long time and they failed on me several times. I've never owned any gas powered anything. Even my lawnmower is in this ecosystem, which is trash. So I figured for chainsaw, since I don't use them that often, I should get one good gas powered chainsaw. So I was in the market for a steel chainsaw and everything that I was looking at was kind of expensive. So I wanted to get like the MS250 and that by itself was like 400 bucks. So I went on YouTube to look at, different options. I came across this video where a guy was testing a $1,500 steel and comparing that against this Japanese brand that was like 250 bucks. And so I kept looking at this brand, Proyama, on different videos, and it had pretty good reviews. They come from the cheapest being like around $100 to the most expensive being around $260, and that was the 68 cc's. So I figured, you know what? Let me get the larger one, the 68 cc's. That was $260. So now I'm gonna open up this thing and I'll show you what comes in the box, and then we'll take it outside, see it in action, I guess. I was at work when this box came and I was like thinking about it the entire day. I'm like sitting there, I'm like, I can't wait to go home and play with my chainsaw. I know the box looks huge. It's not really that heavy at all. I would say maybe 20 pounds at max. I'm assuming it's just so long because of the bar. It comes with 2 bars, the 68cc comes with 2 bars, a 20-inch bar and a 24-inch bar. And I heard it comes with a whole bunch of other goodies. Oh, that's weird. So this big box has this smaller box inside of it. Here we go. Okay. So I'll get this stuff out of here and I'll remove the box and then I'll go over what comes with it. It will come with the actual chainsaw. These 2 together, these 3 together appear to be the face shield. It comes with hearing protection, earmuffs, comes with a chain, gloves. This is the handle and the cover. It comes with a guard, which you can cut or trim based on, how big you want it, from 18 all the way up to 24. Comes with the gas and oil mixing. Some tools, I guess, for maintenance, instructions. A second chain, I'm assuming one for the 20-inch, one for the 24-inch bar. A 20-inch bar and a 24-inch bar. I am probably going to put the 20-inch bar on it and let it live with that. I would assume that it's gonna run even stronger with the 20-inch bar. All right, let's put it together. I'm honestly not gonna go too much in depth in how to put this together because there's a lot more experienced people on YouTube doing this exact thing, showing you how to put it together. So I'll skip through that part. I'm just giving you what's in the box and my first impressions as a first-time user, because I'm sure people out there are planning on getting a chainsaw. Maybe they're looking at this because it fits the bill, but they have no experience. So what you will get is what I'm getting, the experience of a first-time chainsaw user or operator. This part that's out here is actually 19 inches. Let me go get some gas, put some gas in it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Just went to the gas station and Harbor Freight. Bought this 2-cycle oil. It comes with this really handy gauge right here that allows you to get exactly 3.2 ounces in this little pouch that you can dump. 3.2 is important because according to the manual, 3.2 ounces to 1 gallon of gas. I was going to use this, but this seems like it's gonna make a big mess. I feel like that would create more of a mess since this is my first time ever mixing gas and oil. So I figured, let me do this setup. I'm gonna not need a whole gallon for what I need, so I'm gonna mix it, keep it in here. It's nice and sealed, and I'll fill this as needed. I'm not gonna put a whole bunch in there because I don't want to have to empty it later. All the other reviews that I've watched, people were really upset about how inconvenient this bar and chain oil spot is. So when I was at Harbor Freight, I picked this up for like $1.50. Try this one. Again, I don't want to fill it all the way. I'm not trying to test how long it'll last on oil or fuel. I'm just want to actually get it started. It's nighttime right now, so I just want to start it. All right, step one, move the brake fully forward, lock position. Push the bulb at least 3 to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough. Pull the choke. Pull the starter handle firmly several times until you hear the first pop. Put my foot in here. It would help. It would really help if I had put this up in the start position, which I didn't. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The choke. And let's keep going until we hear the pop. That was a pop, I think. Push the choke in. So that's a cold start. A hot start is you don't have to do the whole thing with the choke again. You just turn it on. I just started my first 2-cycle engine. I'm 34 years old. I feel like I've reached a milestone in life. Check that off the bucket list. All right, it is not nighttime anymore. However, we have 25-mile-an-hour winds. I put together the equipment that came with the tool, helmet on first and then earmuffs. Okay, Eleanor, I'm gonna do some work now, okay? Back up. So, it's obviously cold from last night. So let's see how that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open. Oh, again, same problem. I forgot to turn it on. So turn it on. Doing the same task with the Ryobi. That literally took me like a good 20 minutes. fuel because I remember I didn't put a lot last time. So I'll turn the power off, the brake on, and go add some more fuel. That's crazy. That looks pretty.